Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to upload videos on YouTube. It's super easy. Please follow the steps that I'm showing you in this video. So let's go ahead and open YouTube in our web browser, or you can open your app. As you can see, I opened YouTube. We have three different options at the top. This is our channel, this is the notification, and this is the create button, a video icon which you can see. You have to click on that and you will see three different options, which are go live, create a post, and upload video. Since we are uploading a video, we will click on upload video, this option. Click on it. It is directing us to YouTube Studio, where we can upload our video, where we upload our content, where we customize our channel. As we can see that they gave us an option, upload videos, and we have to select the files or drag or drop our video right here. So I'm just gonna select our file, click on this button, choose any of the location where your file is located or your video is located. I'm gonna select this one. And our video is uploading right here. As you can see, upload complete. The processing will begin, but before that we have to give our video a title. So let's give it a title. And here in this table we have to fill in our description for the video. And after we give our descriptions and the title, and we can see that the checks are complete, the checking of our video, they check our video if there's any copyright issues or any type of things that are usually against YouTube policies. So we can see that our video is completely clean. We can see that there is no such thing available, there's no copyright issues, there's no issues available in our video. So we can go ahead, and if you scroll a little bit down, you can see that here we have to upload our thumbnail. If you created a thumbnail, you can use this button to upload your thumbnail for your video. And if you scroll a little bit more down, you can see the playlist. You can add your video to a playlist. There, you can create playlists. You can click on this button to create a playlist. And if you scroll more down, you can find tags. Basically, tags are used to to help viewers find your video more easily. It will help you. It plays basically a minimum role to find your viewers. So you can use different type of YouTube video tools to create tags, or you can create some tags on your own. So as we uploaded it, we will simply click on next. You can see add an end screen, add cards. What does add cards mean? It means it will promote, it will make a button related to a content. You have to click on add and add a video which is related to your content. It can be your own videos as well. Click on next. As you can see, there's no copyright issues. Simply click on next, and this is the final process of uploading your video. You can either privatize it, unlist it, public it, or have a schedule where you can select a date and time it will automatically upload your video for you as per your timings, or you can directly upload it by using the public or any of these options above. What does prioritize mean? Basically, only the people that you choose can see the video. Other than that, nobody can see it. Then there's this button called unlist. It means the person, anyone with your link to your video can watch it. Or public. People usually select public. So you can select any one of this above and your video will be published. In case you don't want to upload it and want to save it as draft, you can simply click on this cross option right here. It will save it. It will not upload it. It will just save it. It will be saved as a draft. You can come back later and can modify whatever you want to modify on your video. I hope this video has helped you in uploading a video in YouTube, and thank you for watching.